Okay guys, so I'm gonna make a video of what I'm seeing on gold and what are the possibilities that we might be facing on gold heading for CPI. Okay, there's a multiple things that we're gonna be seeing now as we are going for a CPI. But is my bias bearish for the day or my bias still bullish for the day? I could say now I'm a bit skeptical about it, but still judging and looking at how everything is pushing. Let me turn on my session break indicator, which shows me the Tokyo sessions. I'm only gonna be looking at the Tokyo session, and then on the Tokyo session, I'm gonna check the volume profile and how everything has been pushing during the Tokyo session, which means that I'm just gonna have to go from there all the way to the left of the Tokyo session. And I could see that this is where we have the high volume here. Okay, so at this moment now, it means that I'm gonna be expecting anything below this area here to be on the selling side of the market. Okay, but if, and I repeat, if, okay, if only we can get to break, if we can just get to break above this zone here, then we're gonna be expecting a bullish CPI. But if CPI comes when the market is still below this volume here, there's a high possibility that we're gonna be expecting a retest all the way down to this low here, and then we can push from there. Why am I saying that we might just expect only a retest to that low there and then get to push up from there? I've been looking at it on different time frames, and we can see from here going up. Okay, we can see gold has started forming a series of higher lows. Okay, so now the reason why I'm still a bit skeptical about buys is that if we can all look and then we will agree to disagree, but this is a very strong area here. This was once a support. You can see it played its role there. The market was failing to break below it until we finally come and make this break here, okay, which is just a swing low to me. So during this break, we can see that we've attempted to break above that same support zone, which has now turned into a resistance, but we've been failing to do so. Okay, so whenever you your support turns into a resistance and you see the market retesting on it but failing to break above it, then it tells you that you have a strong resistant area here. And judging by how many times it was playing a strong support, we can then go and say this is gonna be one of the strongest resistance and a support again. Should the market find its way breaking above here, then I don't care what you trade, I don't care what your idea is gonna be, but once we break above this zone here, since it's showing you that it's the strongest zone that we have, it means that gold will shift from the overall consolidation to make a bullish break, and then that will be the start in the conclusion of the new bull leg, which on my side I do believe that that's when we're gonna see gold at its full potential when we talk about gold moving up. And what I'm gonna be expecting from there, let me switch off this indicator first. What I'm gonna be expecting from there, is gonna be very simple. Okay, what I'm gonna be expecting is gonna be very simple. I'm gonna be expecting to see a leg like this. Okay, since we're gonna be going for a bull break, so what I'm expecting is gonna be something like this. Okay, so we can already see that down here we have already formed that W pattern. So now what we're going to be expecting, it's a push all the way to the top. Okay, which if we can look at, you can see that gold might end up going above 37. Okay, that's what we are expecting gold to do next. We're going to be expecting a bull run like that on gold. So it's up to you what you're going to decide to do with gold, but this is what I see on gold now.